Have you ever gone to a friend's house and suddenly felt unsure about what to say? Do you bring something or not? Do you take your shoes off? Do you say, make yourself at home, or wait for them to say it first? These small moments can feel surprisingly stressful when you're speaking English.
Exactly. Visiting a friend's house should feel relaxed, but in another language it can feel awkward or confusing. You might worry about being polite, sounding natural, or understanding casual phrases people use at home.
That's why today's conversation will help you feel calm and confident during a real visit to a friend's house. You'll hear natural, everyday English you can actually use, and you'll practice responding in a friendly, comfortable way.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna. If you enjoy learning English through real-life conversations like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. It really helps us keep creating content for you.
All right, let's jump right into the conversation.
Hey, Leo, you made it. Come on in.
Hey, Anna. Thanks for inviting me. Wow, your place looks great.
Thanks. I'm glad you could come. How was the drive over?
Not bad at all. Traffic was lighter than I expected, so I got here a little early. I hope that's okay.
That's totally fine. Early is better than late. Do you want to come in and put your things down?
Sure. Oh, should I take my shoes off, or is it okay to keep them on?
You can keep them on. It's no problem.
All right, thanks for letting me know. By the way, I brought something small for you.
Oh, you didn't have to. That's really kind of you.
It's just a box of chocolates, nothing fancy. I just didn't want to show up empty-handed.
That's very thoughtful. Go ahead and make yourself at home.
Thanks. So where should I sit?
Anywhere you like. You can sit on the couch or at the table, whatever's more comfortable.
The couch looks great. Wow, this is a nice space. Did you decorate it yourself?
Mostly, yes. It took some time, but I wanted it to feel cozy, not too formal.
It definitely does. It feels warm and relaxed, like a place where you can actually unwind.
That's exactly what I was going for. Can I get you something to drink? Water, coffee, tea?
Water would be great, thanks.
Cold or room temperature?
Room temperature, please.
Got it. I'll be right back. Here you go.
Perfect, thanks. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. So, how have you been lately? It feels like we haven't caught up in a while.
Yeah, it's been busy. Work has been a little overwhelming, to be honest.
I see. When you say overwhelming, do you mean a lot of tasks or more pressure than usual?
Both, actually. Deadlines, meetings, and not enough time to rest. But things are starting to calm down now.
That makes sense. It's hard when everything piles up at once.
Exactly. That's why it's nice to be here, just relaxing and talking.
I'm really glad you came then. Would you like a snack? I made some chips and salsa, and there's also fruit if you prefer something lighter.
The chips and salsa sound great.
All right, help yourself.
Thanks. Oh, sorry, can you repeat that last part? Did you say I should help myself?
Yes, exactly. Help yourself means you can take what you want without asking.
Got it. That's a really useful phrase.
It comes up a lot when you're visiting someone's home.
Good to know. So, do you usually host people here, or is this a special occasion?
A bit of both. I enjoy having friends over, but I don't do anything too formal. I like to keep it simple.
I like that. Sometimes simple is better. It feels more natural.
I agree. By the way, feel free to let me know if you need anything. Another drink, a blanket, anything at all.
Thanks, I will. I'm good for now.
So, what have you been into lately? Any new hobbies or shows?
Actually, yes. I started watching a new series last week and I'm already hooked.
Oh, really? What's it about?
It's drama, but it's not too heavy. Good story, interesting characters.
Sounds good. I'm always looking for recommendations.
I'll send you the name later. What about you? What have you been up to?
I've been trying to spend more time at home, cooking, reading, just slowing down a bit.
That sounds nice. Sometimes staying in is exactly what you need.
Right. Oh, I almost forgot. Would you like to stay for dinner, or do you have plans later?
I don't have any plans. If it's not too much trouble, I'd love to stay.
It's no trouble at all. I was planning to cook anyway.
In that case, let me know if I can help with anything.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I might take you up on that offer.
Fair enough.
All right, I'm going to start on dinner. You can stay here, or if you want, you can join me in the kitchen.
I'll join you. Maybe I can be useful instead of just standing around.
That would be great. Could you wash your hands and then help me chop some vegetables?
Sure thing. Just let me know what you need.
Perfect. I'm making pasta with a simple sauce, nothing complicated.
Sounds good to me. Simple food is usually the best anyway.
I agree. Cooking doesn't have to be fancy to be good. All right, could you chop the onions and the bell peppers?
Of course. Like this or smaller pieces.
That size is fine. Not too big, not too small.
Got it. You know, I don't cook very often, but I'm trying to get better at it.
That's understandable. Cooking takes practice, just like learning a language.
That's true. And making mistakes is part of the process.
Exactly. Oh, when you hear someone say, take your time, it means there's no rush, so take your time with that.
Take your time. I like that phrase. It feels reassuring.
It is, and it's something people say a lot at home.
All right, the vegetables are done. What's next?
Could you put some water on the stove for the pasta?
Sure. How much water should I use?
Fill the pot most of the way and add some salt once it starts boiling.
Understood. So, how long have you lived here?
Almost 3 years now. At first, it didn't really feel like home, but over time, it grew on me.
Grew on me. Does that mean you started to like it more?
Yes, at first I wasn't sure, but slowly I became more comfortable with it.
That's a great expression. I'm definitely going to remember that one.
Good. It's very common in everyday conversations.
All right, the water's starting to boil.
Perfect timing. Go ahead and add the pasta.
Done. This actually feels nice, cooking together, I mean.
It does. It makes the whole evening feel more relaxed.
And less awkward than just sitting and waiting.
Right. Okay, the sauce is almost ready. Let's set the table. Everything's ready. Let's eat.
It smells amazing.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. Wow, this is really good.
I'm glad to hear that.
Honestly, I didn't expect something this simple to taste so good.
That's the secret. Good ingredients and not overthinking it.
That actually applies to learning English too, doesn't it?
It really does. Clear phrases, natural rhythm, and practice.
I feel like conversations like this help more than memorizing rules.
I completely agree. Real conversations build confidence.
By the way, thanks again for inviting me. I really needed a night like this.
I'm happy you came. You're welcome anytime.
I'll hold you to that.
Fair enough.
I think I should head out soon. I don't want to stay too late.
That's understandable. Do you want to take some leftovers with you?
If you don't mind, that would be great.
Not at all. I'll pack some up for you. Here you go. This should be enough for another meal.
Perfect. Thank you so much for the food and the company.
You're very welcome. I had a great time.
Me too. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Just let me know.
All right. I'll see you soon. Take care.
Drive safe. Bye.
Bye.
And that's the end of today's conversation, visiting a friend's house in English.
You practiced polite questions, casual phrases, and natural responses you can use in real life. Nothing forced, nothing formal.
Remember, it's okay to ask questions, ask for repetition, and take your time. That's how real conversations work.
If this video helped you feel more confident, please like it, subscribe to the English Talk channel, and keep practicing.
Thanks for learning with us today. You're doing great. Keep going, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now, and happy practicing.